In this video, I am going to show you how to use Smash File Transfer to send large files. So the first thing that you'll need to do once you open your browser, simply go to Smash File and type it in your URL. Then go to the first link. And as you can see, this will take you to the website right away. So here, you can click to send your files. You can simply just click and send the file that you want. Of course, you can send multiple files. So let's say an example. I'm just going to send, as an example, this video, this image as well, or maybe this one as an example, and click on open. And as you can see here, I'll find 3 files. You can send multiple files, totally up to you. And here, you can send it in 2 ways. You can send this either in email. You can simply just enter the email recipients here. So whatever email you want. As an example, let's say here, your contact's email is for them to contact you. So for me, since it is the same email, so I'm just going to enter that as well. And finally, here the subjects, totally up to you. So I don't know. For me, I'm just gonna type files or large files. And the message, just some large files. Of course, for you, you can customize it however you want. And of course, you can add multiple stuff here, like the sender name, and you can add multiple people to send it to them if you want to send them by email. So this is going to be basically the sender email and the sender name if you want to add this. And simply here more Gmails, so or more emails, so you can send it to multiple emails. Let's say this email as well, and etc. So you can send it to more. Of course, you can also use this link. You can simply just add a title, and then if you click on get a link, you will get a link. And once people click on that get a link as example option, of course you'll need to confirm your email. So go to your email provider, just go example you receive the code, so 410242. And then as example, you can click on send and you'll get your link. So example, transferring, just need to wait, get the link, and just wait, as example, so copy link. Now, once anybody have this link, you'll be able to download those files very easily. So just wait. As you can see here, click to download the file. So click on it and you'll be able to download the files in a zip file. Of course, the same will be for email. You'll find like such an email like this. Let me just show you with a download link. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.